to Dewa. We got to Dewa to Ayung, where we're getting suited up on these life jackets. My skateboarding helmet actually doubles as a rafting helmet already. So we've given a name for our douchey group. It's called the Bukit Vistas, and yeah, we're gonna be shotgunning some beers in typical bro fashion before we go down this river. So far, okay, this is the setup. That's the locker area. This is where you pay your stuff. This is where you sit around, smoke cigarettes, and wait for your ride down. And oh look, we got Josh there as our first Bukit Fister. Wait, let's go and take a good look at Josh right there. Fister 1, Fister 2, Fister 3. Does Katie Kate? No, probably she's not. She's a
Fister.
Yeah.
Hardly even know her.
All right, the dirty jokes. Emily's like, can we edit that part out? But we're gonna shotgun some beers first. All right, what's your name? Sun. All right, Sun is going to be the person who saves us from utter destruction and death. Here, let's bring all the characters in the mix. What's your name?
Katie.
Katie K. All right, and who is this? This is El Wayana, or La Wayana. La Wayana.
João.
Here is João. What would be your Portuguese name, Josh?
João.
João Gilberto. Yeah. And Emily.
It's probably Amelia.
Amelia. Okay. What happened to your shirt? You guys had a shirt battle there, and
Took my shirt and then decided she didn't want it. It's just hot and cold.
I know, that's the thing with women, right? They take the shirt off your back and then they throw it away. Just tough luck. All right, we're gonna do this beer or what? Are we gonna shotgun this thing? I've got a key.
It on the beach.
We're gonna shotgun a beer here, like in total bro style, like total douchebags here.
Participate?
Yes, she's gonna shotgun a beer too. Like, what does shotgunning a beer mean? Here, paddles. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Paddles are important because you're either part of the paddle or you're part of the problem. Yes. All right. We have to do this at the same time, yeah?
This is for a while.
This is for you. You're gonna
Hold it like this. Hold it like that.
Okay. Pegang aja. Wait, no, give her a paddle. Give Katie K a paddle. She'll need a paddle. All right, free interview. Katie K, take a paddle. You need to take a paddle. You need to be part of the solution. All right, so watch this. You're gonna put, because it's gonna be awesome. Why not? Okay, so here's the deal. Right there. I got my bing tong right over here. Bing tong. No arguments. We're going to do this. Okay. Oh yes. Okay. All right. Wait. Give us a second. We're going to do a ceremony. Okay. All right. Who's going to film? Katie K, film this. All right. You ready? Okay.
Do you know how to do?
Okay. So
you have to pull the tab.
Pull the
In
tab.
your mouth and you pull
And
it.
pull it.
Tab and then you tilt it. Just
Yeah.
Like you
so
open it?
socket, open it, and then. Okay. Ready? Katie K, ready?
All of it? No.
Yeah. All of it. Okay.
Yes, I think you are.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Done. All right. Okay. Wait.
And we give it to our men to finish.
Oh God.
I didn't have that much.
I'm not a drinker.
Okay.
All right.
And we are going.
All right, this is the 20th time we've done this shit. But
What?
each time is as fun as
Actually?
yeah, pretty much. We do this like every time there's
Yeah. Did you guys bring mine?
your beer
Yeah.
that you didn't drink that I had to drink for you.
They drank it.
I'm gonna go to rafting and then are you?
I'm going rafting after drinking
Yay.
2 beers, like in 2 seconds.
The rice paddy. So we have 250 stairs going down. Yes. So that's all the stairs we need to take. But it's nice. It's in the jungle. Stairs. There. Ayo pergi. We almost there. Hey, the moment of the truth.
All right, here's how you do rafting in Bali. Get down to the rafting deck area where you listen to loud Kiwis scream at the canyons. Step 1. Step 2. Get your paddle ready because you don't want to go up shit creek without a paddle. Step 3. Bring children and family along for death-defying adventure in murky waters going down to the river. Step 4, right now, I guess we'll go on the boat. And it's exciting because, hello, you are the steering man. Very good. Okay, Sun's going to...
Sun, my name.
Sun is your name.
Sun. Easy name.
Awesome.
Yeah, S-A-N, Sun.
Like the top. All right, and that is the idea. We're gonna take this out into the river and go out there. Okay, we are in a calm area now. Tip. Okay, good stuff, yeah? All right, rapids are coming up. All right, we made it to this waterfall above us, and it's pretty badass. I hope this camera's waterproof, but that's what it looks like. All right, yeah! We're at this gigantic waterfall in the middle of the rapids, and I hope this camera doesn't die. Okay. All right. So we've gotten off a little rest stop back there. It's like a little river station where you can pack up and get some goods. And so we've been swimming in the river. Been taking a bunch of pictures, and I think this is the microphone. Oops. Oh no, the microphone is coming from the actual device. All right, Katie K is exploring over there. I've been swimming in the river, and everyone else has been really just enjoying this beautiful spot. Hi guys. Hi paddlers. Yes. Okay, here's another one. Group 2. Hi guys. Hola, ¿cómo está? Yeah, ¿dónde eres? Okay, all right. So, look, we have another character that just emerged onto the scene. Katie K.
His name Kitty.
You are a character there. All right. So that's it. The river station episode is at a conclusion. They have
Not yet.
Yeah, we're about to head out. Oh wait, look at that. There's a whole like chain of boats out there along the river, including this one. Hi boat.
Boatsy.
Do you guys have anything you want to add
It's a boatsy.
to this documentation at the moment? Oh yes, this is a critical thing. Place the anointed leaf on the crown of Katie K. And what was the name that you kept on using?
Parrot.
Pikmin. Parrot from Super Smash Brothers. Cool. Excellent. All right. Itchy like, okay, I'll avoid that punchline. So, maybe kids will want to watch this. Hey kids, you can be like Katie K. Deadpan face. Cool enough. Animation face. Okay. Ayung River face. Oh my goodness, they brought the boat to us. How lazy could you be? Yeah, taxi, transport. Hi, son. Son is our guide. Son is pretty awesome. He's been making us make enemies with everybody,
I know.
but we like it. We enjoy the process. All right,
We get swamped by enemies.
time to leave the river station and go down the river some more.
Yay! Let's go.
Here we go.
We're getting to the last part of the rafting trip where we're gonna go down this slide and die. No, okay, no we're not. We're going to survive. Do I get to stand up? All right, here we go. Here comes the slide. Yeah! Yeah! Victory! We did it! Thank you, son! Wow, awesome. All right, amazing.
The bigger one?
Yeah.
Behind?
Oh, we should have went off that one.
No one.
Nunchok. Wait, Mason Masi? Is there still Mason? Mason Jolly Royal. Okay. Mason Adventure Tours is Masi, yeah? Okay. Oh,
I lick this.
me too.
Watch your head. Watch your head. Snake.
Oh my God, we gotta show you the snake video after this. There's this anaconda video that is unforgettable. Yeah, my anaconda don't. My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun.
I think the music video.
We should, yeah.
If you have a speaker.
Yeah,
we do.
We did, but we didn't.
We,
didn't
sorry, I didn't think you would approve, cause, okay.
Yes.
Last challenge.
Flip the boat?
Stand up.
Okay. All right, stand up. Standing up. Whoa, surfing! Everybody go surfing! Surfing you. Here I am. Woo!
Yay!
Yay! Passenger 1, passenger 4, passenger 2, and here's passenger 1. Josh, how was that, man?
It's great.
It was good. Emily, how was it?
Bagus.
Bagus. Bike. Tote bike. Babe.
Terbike.
Yes.
This is the right way to spend weekend with friends and with the river. And
It was great because it was good, as a powerful lady once said.
Amazing. Yes. Take your paddle. Kid K, how was it? Good. Okay. So that's the end of the rafting part, but that's the beginning. We forgot to film that. All right, so we're gonna film us climbing up the stairs now. This is the relatively less pleasant part of river rafting, but it's very necessary. Kids, this is how you build the potential energy for physics. Potential energy leads to kinetic energy, which we've been enjoying. Yeah, that was about 200 steps so far. We're surprisingly next to this resort here. It says, keep silent. You're doing a good job with that, Kitty K. All right, almost out. Rafting. All right, this is the
Over there. This one. This hotel.
yeah.
And we use the truck.
Okay.
Our truck over there.
Okay, to pick up the rubbers, yeah?
We pick up until they pick up.
Big roasted piggy and a big
Does the pig have to have a big butt?
needs to have a big booty.
Okay, good.
Big belly.
We're very consistent with our needs today, Josh. It's all about these big booty things.
Big booty
Let me talk to my wife, see what she can arrange.
for.
The pig. Yeah. Wait, she gonna go onto your quadrant?
Yeah, she's gonna arrange for you.
I see. Emily, how do you feel about that?
I just want some lunch.
Okay, keep it simple. Josh wants a quadrant, Emily wants lunch. Okay. Hey, all right, we made it. Here's the truck that brought us here in the first place. No, it's not the Bang Bus truck. It's actually a legit truck.